Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Science Love. Today we're going to be going over distance, rate, time, and today we're going to be covering rate times time, right? Before we get into it, let's go ahead and start off with our triangle. I will always recommend that you always do this because it really helps make sure that you keep it organized and know exactly what to do. So D goes on top, rate goes down right here, time goes right here. If it's D over R, that's going to be divide. If it's D over T, that's going to be divide. If it's R over T, that's going to equal multiplication. Right? That being the case, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So Jane is running at a rate of 8 miles per hour. Sharon is running down the same road in the same direction at 7 miles per hour. If both leave at the same time, how far apart will they be after 30 minutes? Right? So notice the keywords running down the same road in the same direction. The reason why that's an important side note is because you're going to encounter questions where it's asking the same thing, but they're going the same in opposite directions, which can tremendously change the answer. So you need to pay attention to those key details. You're also going to find circumstances in which maybe the second person, third person will leave at a delayed time, right? You need to make note of that so that you can accommodate accordingly so that you have the correct math. But with that being the case, let's just get straight into it. So we know that Jane is going at 8 miles per hour. So let's put Jane 8 miles per hour. We also know that Sharon is going 7 miles per hour. So as I told you guys, it's 8 miles per hour, 7 miles per hour, and 30 minutes. That's going to be the time. So we got the rate and the time. So we know that we're going to be using these two. We know it's going to be multiplication. So with Jane, I'm going to actually give you two examples so you know two ways of getting the same answer, right? The first one, we're just going to do multiplication. 8 times 30 minutes. Well, remember how things convert. What's a full hour? It's 60 minutes, right? So 30 minutes is half of an hour. So now that we know that, that means it's going to be 0.5. So we're going to do 8 times 0.5, right? And that's going to equal 8 times 5, that's 40. However, don't forget about the decimal. So you're going to move it down here. That would mean it's 4, right? Moving on to the next one. What we can do is exactly what I just said. 8 1 over 2, because that means half, right? And then this is just going to be 8 over 1, right? Now we're going to go ahead and reduce. It's going to equal 4. It's going to equal 1. And let's just go ahead and cross multiply. So 4 times 1 is 4. And 1 times 1 is 1. That means your answer equals 4. Both answers landed on equaling 4, right? Doing the same thing for Sharon. Okay, well, let's see. Sharon is 7 over 1, right? Over half. Okay, well, these can't be reduced. So it's just going to end up equaling 7 over 2, right? That means it's going to be divided 2 by 7, right? And so 2 goes into 7 3 times, gives you a 6, leaves you with 1. Put the decimal, bring this down, it ends up with 3.5. So in 30 minutes, it's asking how far apart they'll be. Well, the answer to that is half a mile. They will be 1/2 of a mile from each other.